Very good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in Rishikul online classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss the beautiful poem, The Heart of the Tree. Here we will discuss module number 2. In this poem, as you all know, the beautiful composition written by American poet Henry Culler Brunner. It is a fine piece of poetry having a simple theme and structure. This poem was originally published in 1912. The poem focuses on the importance of trees. Furthermore, it tells how the trees help in maintaining the ecological balance. Moreover, it focuses on the significance of trees in sustainable development. The trees are very important for everyone. The poet has found out new ways of looking at the plants. In the 3 stanzas, the poet begins with a question. The question says, as to what a man actually plants who plants a tree. And he replies on his own. He says that a man plants a friend of the sun and the sky. A plant grows upward to reach the sun and the sky. It absorbs heat from the sun and saves the earth. In the 2nd stanza, the poet tells the importance of the tree that will produce seed and bud in the future. Also, it adds to the beauty of the plain. Furthermore, a single plant could turn into a forest. So, in the 3rd stanza, the poet says that the man shows his loyalty, love for his earth by planting more and more trees. Moreover, he fulfills his duty towards society and seeks blessings from the neighborhood. He adds that one who plants a tree contributes to the nation's growth. Planting trees help in progress of the nation sea to sea. So he is more focusing on the importance of trees. In the last lines are of core importance. It speaks about the man's heart, his feelings, his visions, and hopes behind the planting of a tree. This also leads to the title of the poem, The Heart of the Tree. So here the heart of a tree, that summary, focuses on the importance of trees in the life of human being. It tells us how and what many ways the trees plays a significant role in maintaining the ecosystem. Friendly development, adding beauty to the plains, becoming a home for sweet singing birds, and making the earth a wonderful place to live in with fresh air and healthy atmosphere. So, my dear students, I hope you have understood the summary of this poem. Thank you so much for watching the video. In the next module, we will discuss the question answer of this poem. So, thank you so much.